So before we can form the next rock down here, let's just put in here, that's going to be our sedimentary rock. We need to undergo the lithification process. And you'll see that lithification involves 3 steps. So that lithification process involves the burial of that sediment. And as you bury it more, it leads to overburden pressure or compaction. So you compact it down, you reduce the pore spaces, so you shift the grains closer together, and then groundwater percolates through there and it brings minerals, and those minerals precipitate in those reduced pore spaces, and we get a cement, the glue that holds the grains together. So now the lithification process, remember lith means stone in Greek, so it's basically the rock forming process. We bury the sediment, we compact it, we cement it, now we have sedimentary rocks. All right, so what if we keep getting deeper? So we go to an elevated temperature and pressure. We start burying this, that it gets hotter. So we're going to start changing, altering this. So that's going to give us our metamorphic rock. So the key thing about metamorphism is meta is a change. That means change, and morph means a shape, right? So that your morphology. So metamorphic. So meta is change, morph is shape. So I have a question about which of these 2 terms means change. Meta means change. All right, so elevated temperatures and pressures, so at subduction zones or just simple burial metamorphism. We'll talk about the different types of metamorphism that occurs. But let's say we get it too hot that we make a melt. We actually melt it. So if we melt it, we have left the realm of metamorphism and we've made a magma. So we're back into the region of igneous rock. So this is one path you can take in the rock cycle. It's one path. But you can have other paths that occur as well. You can take an igneous rock and directly bury it, get high temperature and pressure, and make a metamorphic rock out of that. You can take a metamorphic rock, bring it to the surface again, right? So you can see that there are, or you can take a metamorphic rock, make loose sediment out of it, and then that begins this process. So there are some interconnecting pathways along this rock cycle. All right, well, let's stop here for now.